Hello everyone, this is Catherine from Catherine's Granny Squares. Welcome everyone, new and old subscribers, and if you haven't already subscribed, you'll be very welcome if you do. Today is my first day of doing some filming with my new glasses that I talked about, so see how that looks. I'm getting used to them still, and I wanted just to come on quickly because I wanted to share with you some bits that I made at the weekend. I'm holding this necklace because I decided to make another one of these necklaces. This is from the Purple Poncho, and I made one some years ago. I think it was when it was just put out, the video, and that was my first attempt. I have worn this quite a lot, and then because I wore it, I thought I'm going to make another one, but I couldn't find the video. It took me ages to find it. Then I did find it, so I made this one. This is being made in the same way as the other one. The only thing is, on the tutorial, a bead is used here, but I haven't got a bead that's big enough, so I just made my own little attachment, if you like, for the tassel, using beads threaded onto the end of the length. So I do like it. It's a double strand round my neck, this one, and I just had a notion to make another one, and off I went, and I was making that at the weekend, so I wanted to share that with you. And also, do you remember I said, well, let me show you first the gloves, little mittens. I wanted to make some mittens for my granddaughter, and I had one that I'd made. I was pretty sure that was going to be too big. So anyway, I found another pattern, and I've made these cute little mittens. She's tried on one, and because I made just this one, and my little granddaughter tried that on, so the second mitten got made last night. So I'm happy with that. That's from the Winding Road channel, so I will put I won't say a link, so I'm not very good at links. If I can put a link, I will, but if not, I will definitely write the channel name. So that is ready now. They're ready now for my little granddaughter. So I'm happy that I've made them. And also I did mention I wanted to try Jayda's Granny cluster hexagon motif, and I made this using Jayda's pattern, and I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this yet. I just wanted to make one, and I do love it. I love the way it's turned out. I've just used yarn from my scrapbox, just kept picking out colours. I've used a chunky selection here. So my husband said it would be great for putting a pot on, for a plant pot on, but also you could put it in the middle of a blanket. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to go ahead and make more to make the bag, because I've already got a bag, I have to say, on the go, from a pattern from Crystal at Bag a Day. I've had on the go for ages, and I need to focus on getting that finished. But I do like the way this has turned out. It was such fun to make. So I diverted a lot at the weekend, because I first of all made this on Saturday and finished it off when I was watching the film at night. I'd say I did it in the boring bits, but it was is it called Kingsman, and there wasn't many bits that were boring, so I did that on Saturday, and then Sunday I did this when I got a moment, and then Monday and last night I did the little mittens. So I did my mood blanket as well, but obviously you've just seen the mood blanket, so I'll be showing that again at the end of this month. Still looking bright. Still trying to focus on something positive from each day, even if I feel I'm having a bit of a down day, sad day, whatever you want to call it, or the day's not going as I want it to. There's always something positive from every day. Doesn't matter what it is, and whatever that is, that's going in the blanket. Like yesterday's, easy, because we looked after our 2 little granddaughters and their colour is yellow and pink, so they're in there for tomorrow. Sorry, they're in there for yesterday. So when we see them, and we'll be seeing them again tonight, so that colour will be in there again. That's the sort of thing I'm doing for my mood blanket. Anyway, I will leave this short video for now. I think it's short, and see how it looks with the new glasses. See everybody soon. Bye for now.